Good day po, sir. First is maglagay ng switch na 24 port and then maglagay ng 12 PC. Ito po yung VLAN 1, VLAN 2, VLAN 3, and VLAN 4. Ito po yung VLAN 1. Then ito po yung VLAN 2, VLAN 3, and VLAN 4. Then i-connect lang po natin yung PC0 sa 1 and 1 to 2. And 3 to 4. 3 to 3. Ang target po dito is 3 and may allowance po na 2. PC6 connect lang po natin sa (13). Then sa 9 is 15. Pass Ethernet. Then maglagay po tayo ng switch 2. Tapos maglagay po tayo ng PC12 to 19. $22 pala. 23. VLAN 2, VLAN 3, and VLAN 4. Connect po natin yung PC12 sa 1, PC13 Pass Ethernet 2, PC14 Pass Ethernet 3, and PC15 is PC20 is 16 Pass Ethernet 16, PC21 is Pass Ethernet 17, and PC22 is Pass Ethernet 18, and PC23 is Pass Ethernet 19. Then ito po yung access port natin. Fast Ethernet 5 to switch to Fast Ethernet 5, and then 10 Fast Ethernet 10, and then 15, and then 20. Ito po yung access port po natin. And then alisin lang po natin yan. At ito po yung trunk port natin. Yun lang po. Salamat po.